Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting midsize pickup trucks of the year, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. This isn't just a truck, it's a purpose-built overlanding machine designed for adventure seekers who want capability, durability, and style in one package. The 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter is part of Toyota's next-generation Tacoma lineup, and it stands out with a rugged, adventure-ready exterior. The body features a bold front grille with integrated LED lighting, high-clearance bumpers, and skid plates to protect vital components during off-road exploration. The unique Trailhunter badging and exclusive bronze accents give it a distinctive identity, while its muscular wheel arches house all-terrain tires wrapped around stylish alloy wheels, ensuring it's ready for any terrain you throw at it. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of utility and comfort. Durable materials withstand the wear and tear of outdoor adventures, while premium touches like leather-trimmed seating and a large, intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make long trips enjoyable. Ample storage solutions and practical cargo space mean you can pack everything you need without compromise. Under the hood, the Trailhunter comes equipped with Toyota's powerful iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering impressive horsepower and torque while maintaining efficiency. Paired with an advanced suspension setup, locking rear differential, and high ground clearance, it's engineered to tackle rocky trails, muddy paths, and sandy dunes with ease. Crawl control and multi-terrain select modes ensure optimal traction in varying conditions, making this truck a true off-road champion. With an expected starting price in the mid-$50,000 range, the Tacoma Trailhunter is positioned as a premium choice for serious adventurers. Its biggest selling point lies in its factory-ready overlanding setup, saving buyers the hassle and cost of aftermarket modifications. This is a truck that's ready to go from the showroom straight into the wild. That's all for today's Auto Vibes Spotlight on the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter, the perfect partner for your next great escape. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest rides hitting the road. Until next time, keep the vibes rolling and the adventures coming.